Hey guys, today I'll show you how to change your site title on Squarespace. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see an edit button. Click it. Your site will enter edit page mode, and you'll see overlay controls appear showing the page is editable. Next, hover over the header area of your site. That's the top section where your logo and navigation usually live. When you hover there, an edit site header button will appear. Click that button. This opens the site header editor panel with all your header options. Now, inside that header editor panel, click on your site, title, or logo area. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a small pencil icon appear. Click that pencil icon. This brings up the editing interface where you can change your site title. You'll see a text field become visible. In that site title text field, type in your new site title. As you type, you'll see your new title appear immediately in the preview, so you can see how it looks. Finally, click the Save button to save your changes. You'll usually find the Save button in the top area of the editor interface. Once you click Save, your site title will update in the header and in your browser tab. If you want to exit the editor completely, click Exit and then Save again. Otherwise, you can just keep editing other parts of your site if you need to. A couple of quick things to keep in mind. Squarespace limits site titles to 120 characters, but Google recommends keeping yours between 50 and 60 characters so it displays properly in search results. Your site title appears in your header, browser tabs, and when people share your site on social media or find it in search engines. The changes usually show up right away on your site. But if you want Google to update how your site appears in search results faster, you can request a recrawl through Google Search Console. Just submit your sitemap and request Google to manually reindex your homepage. Even then, it can take a couple of weeks for Google to fully process the update. Thanks for watching. If this helped, I'll see you in the next video.